Welcome to our vlog. Today, I'm excited to take you on a tour to Cyan Water Park, Jeddah. This water park is absolutely stunning with its crystal clear waters and colorful attractions. It has something for everyone, from thrill seeker to family with young children. This place is a perfect place to beat the heat of the desert.
First, we're gonna buy our tickets. Hi guys, now we're gonna play there.
What is that?
First up, let's head over to the splash pad. This is a fun-filled area for kids of all ages. There are plenty of water fountains, sprinkles, and other water-based activity to keep the little one entertained for hours on end. There are also designated area for parents to relax while keeping an eye on their little one. If you buy the companion ticket, you're not eligible to slide on the bigger slide, but you still can go on the slide with your kids. For the thrill seeker among us, let's head over to the big water slides. There are a lot of thrill slides available in this park. Of course, all of these attractions are definitely not for the faint of heart. You will climb up the tower and then slide down, twisting, turning the water slide at high speed. It is an exhilarating ride that will leave you screaming with excitement. Exciting day. Now we are going out to the wave pool. This is a perfect spot for those who love to ride the waves. The pool has a range of different wave patterns, from gentle to more challenging waves. It's a great place to cool off and have some fun with friends and family. They also have DJ, so you also can dance and enjoy the pool with the amazing music. Now let's head over to the lazy river. This is Aldebaran's favorite spot. It is a perfect attraction for those who want to relax and take it easy. The current slowly carries you around the park while you soak up the sun and take it the scenery. It's a great way to unwind and enjoy the leisurely afternoon. Finally, you can grab a snack or a drink from the restaurant. You can find a lot of food from burger, pizza, or shawarma.
Ow.
Apa itu? Cheeseburger.
Ini apa yang mana?
Wow, mantap.
Let's go, Kiandra. Yeah, go on. First, what do you think?
Cool and so much fun. Yeah. Agree. It was cold, man.
How about you? Which one is your favorite one? Burger.
So in general, it was okay, but come earlier. Many people here, so the queue is too long. So even come here earlier or take the VIP line early is better because not only the people is less. It's now already 7:40 at night, really cold and windy. So it's not really comfortable to enjoy the swimming pool. Yeah.